Do you know what that is?
Wait a minute. If this is what I was about to order just the other day.
Is it?
This is the place to dig, plant, and rest. Shelley's Homestead Hideaway.
Hey y'all, welcome back to Shelley's Homestead Hideaway. Today, FedEx just delivered a box. Let me show you what I got. So here's a new box that was just delivered from GreenStalk. GreenStalk. This box though, however, contains items for a very special person. And I think I might go see if I can deliver the contents of this box to that very special person. I got you some cucumbers.
Ooh, thank you.
I'm recording you, and I bought you some seeds.
Why are you recording me? Girl.
Since you said you wanted to start a garden.
What we got? We got
I'm gonna put you some of them in there because that's way too many seeds. But then the rest of the packs are yours.
Kale, Italian. I never heard of this, Shelley.
It's basil.
That's basil?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Cilantro. Ooh, yes, baby. Give me some gourmet lettuce. Ooh, some mustard. Yes. Some Swiss chard and some rosemary.
So put all of that stuff over there. Just sit it over there. And I want you to put the cucumbers down and take this box out.
Oh my God, girl.
Happy birthday.
Oh my God. What is this? You are
Do you know what that is?
Wait a minute. If this is what I was about to order just the other day.
Is it?
I don't know, but
What was you about to order?
That hydroponic garden thing, tower?
No, it's not hydroponic.
Oh, okay.
This is a GreenStalk.
And what this do? Start my seeds?
You plant in it. It's not a seed starter. It's an actual planter.
Ooh, oh, okay.
It's a tiered planter.
Got you for my herbs.
And you can put your greens in there if you want.
Okay, hold on. Pause that for a second.
We're not going to finish unboxing?
Yes, we're going to come back.
Okay, she wants... Y'all, this is my sister. Yeah, it's locked. While I'm waiting for her to open the fence, y'all. So yeah, this is her birthday. You want me to come through there?
Yeah.
Oh, come through, pool. Nice and crystal clear. Oh, I like the chair.
See, somebody told me about Jeep.
Come on, grass. This grass is grassing. Now, I will walk barefoot on this.
You ever heard of that guy on YouTube? Guy?
You told me about him. I never heard about him.
I wanted him to design.
Okay, we recording.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna stop calling names. So I wanted him to design my whole backyard space because this is a lot.
Yeah.
And I knew what I wanted, but I didn't know how it should be laid out. Right?
I got you.
So I reached out to him.
Yeah.
Okay, ain't calling no names, right? And wanted to see how much he charged for a backyard renovation design. Mm-hmm. The design alone, not including construction, not including supplies, materials, or any of that, was $6,000. Mm-hmm. And I was going to jump on it because I really wanted, but I was like, that's $6,000 that I can invest
in the materials that you need.
In my yard.
And ma'am, you have a sister.
And then I learned about the GBT chat. Is that
Chat GPT?
Chat GPT, where you can put in
GPT.
GPT. I'm old, y'all. I'm old. I'm her big sister. I heard that you can tell it what you want in your backyard. Upload your pictures of and it'll hold Yes.
So did you do that because
I haven't did it
you
yet.
still ain't acknowledged the fact that you have a whole sister who could design this for you?
I didn't know. Come on, let's see. So already invested in my 4 fruit trees.
Come on, orchard.
So this is my Fuji apple.
Okay.
And this one you're gonna be shocked. It's called a fruit cocktail tree.
I can't wait for that to
And
produce.
This one grows 5 different fruits. It
Oh.
grows apricots, plums, peaches, 2 different apricots and 2 different peaches, and a nectarine. And as you can see, here's my Asian pear.
Yes.
And we got pears, baby.
Yes. When will they be ready to eat?
I don't know. I gotta look it up.
Do you think they're ready now?
No, they get much bigger than this.
Okay.
Yeah, this is how the tree was delivered. The fruit was already growing on it.
That's awesome.
And then this one here is my peach tree. My Alberta peach tree.
Okay.
And then right behind you, I got my grapevines.
Yo, she got grapes. Oh my gosh, sis, I'm so excited for you.
I got strawberry bushes and blueberry bushes coming. But I just didn't know how I wanted to lay it out.
Oh, boo.
And so I put my trees in those 25-gallon pots that I found on Walmart, which you got like 12 of them for a few dollars. So I put
You got them from Walmart?
I mean, not Walmart, Amazon.
A few dollars. I thought that was more
You see
expensive than
all
that.
I think it was like 50, and you got 12.
Oh, I
And
didn't see them.
25 gallons.
Okay.
So I put the trees in there until I figure out exactly where I'm gonna plant them.
And that's perfectly fine. That's good.
So I want this section here to be my gardening section.
Oh, sucky now, y'all.
I'm gonna keep that
Shed?
shed. These 2 I'm getting rid of.
What you gonna do with them?
I don't need them.
Okay.
It's falling apart. I'm just gonna have them to tear it down and junk it.
Okay, so let me just wait. Listen, this a nice size area over here that she is going to be gardening in. This bed right here, I know there was another bed here at this house before she purchased it.
Yeah.
But we gonna work this out, sis.
Yeah.
So okay.
I definitely want pavers so I can open up that gate wide without any problems with the ground. I want some I want all of this cleared, the path all the way around. I want it cleared. Pavers, sand and rock, I don't care what, but I want it cleared. And then I just didn't, and I do want all raised flower beds.
Okay.
And I want the little edge around my flower bed, so wherever I can sit right there, cause you know.
Oh, now you asking for a lot now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is it getting ready to storm? Okay, we gotta go look at your gift.
Okay, come on. Let's go.
And see where.
So I got all of this, Shelly, and then you have the exact same amount on the other side.
Okay, so let me tell you what I sort of envision with the gift is that it's something that it's just gonna get you started, and you can just sit it on.
Can I get a little
patio.
greenhouse back here too?
Absolutely, girl. Come on, you. Of course, you can get a greenhouse back here.
So
She said, "Can I get a greenhouse?" You can spend $4,000 on a greenhouse, $6,000 on a greenhouse.
I don't want to spend that much on no greenhouse.
It depends on what you want to do.
Yeah.
Okay, but yeah, you can get a greenhouse back here, boo.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then that way, during the winter, I could put those plants that's not, inside the greenhouse.
All right, so let's go look at your gift.
All right, come on.
Y'all, she got a hot tub too. I'm gonna have to get over here and get in the hot tub.
Hey, that bad boy right there. All right, let's go back to my gift.
Okay, so now I want you to, we're gonna take it out and dry fit real quick so you see exactly what.
Do I need to go get us some chairs?
No.
Okay. So
this is actually going to be the top. This is the water reservoir.
Okay.
This is the base, which actually has wheels that you're going to put on it so you can move it around. So we're gonna put this. We don't have to put them on there right now. You wanna put them on there now?
Good. That's what you're here for, right?
Hey.
Might as well get the full demonstration.
So just put it down on the ground.
Okay, and pop these in here.
Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. My sister gonna have a GreenStalk. GreenStalk.
I can't wait. And I probably want to keep this one upstairs on the deck.
You can.
So then when the winter come, I can just roll it inside the house.
Yes, ma'am. Well, I don't know about that because, you know, then you're going to have bugs and stuff that you might be potentially introducing to the inside.
Oh, no, I won't do that.
So, yeah.
Okay, we got that, right? Mm-hmm. Okay, then we put this right here.
Now, that hose right there is designed to go down here so that it can direct the water. So, it will go down there where that opening is right there.
Oh, right here?
Yep. And you can put it on there later, but I'm telling you where it goes.
No, I'm going to do it now.
Okay. And so now you're going to stack your tiers. So that's your first. You have 4 tiers. This is a 4-tier. So, yep. Perfect.
Is that right?
Yep, that's right.
Okay.
Now you're going to turn. You're going to turn it. So first of all, those gray watering discs right there, those are going to go on top once you put your soil in there. And then but right now you're just going to stack these so you can see how it goes.
I just want to put it on this so I know.
Okay.
So this go here, right?
Yep.
That's
it's not going, yeah, that's it.
Okay. And then.
So offset it. So let me show you right here. You see how the things are? You want to get it right in the...
Okay, I got you.
So turn... There you go. And once you get one lined up, it's easy to get the other ones. Perfect. It's not going to snap. When you have soil in there, it's going to be heavier.
Okay.
Okay?
All right, and then we're going to do this one.
Yep.
How many plants?
You have 6 pockets on each.
Ooh, baby, that's all my herbs. That's right, right?
Yep, that's right.
And then let's get this lined up.
Very good.
Yep.
So like I said, it'll seem like it's not balanced, but once you put that heavy soil in there, and you want to use a potting mix in here, not a heavy in-ground soil.
Let me take you back in the shed, show you what I got.
Okay. So this is just a little something to get you started. And so something like the mustard greens, you can even, if you get your soil in here, you can get them started in here for the fall winter.
That's what I need, like a schedule when you're supposed to start stuff.
Okay, so you do have a guide in here.
Yep,
so one of your gifts is the edible plant guide she's getting also.
Girl, you should have told me put some makeup on.
Girl, please.
Put some better clothes on.
Girl, please. Okay, so that's your 4th tier. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the GreenStalk. This is what they call the leaf pattern. So these pockets are shorter than the original. Okay? Mm-hmm. Did you miss putting one in there?
Mm-mm. I got one more.
How you got one more?
I got one more.
Oh, it's 5. My bad. I thought it was 4. Okay, and then the water reservoir goes on top of that. Okay. Now the only thing, I didn't think about.
Covers
so there are covers that you can get. I don't know why I didn't think to get you a cover. I forgot that they didn't come with it. My bad.
I appreciate the thought, sis.
Oh, you're welcome.
Really I was not expecting this at all.
And then this book here.
Hold on. Put this out the way. I'm gonna save this box.
Ew.
Oh, I can't wait. I can't wait. I can't wait.
Okay, so
right.
here's the instruction book, but we've
Oh,
already.
they come in different colors?
They come in different colors,
Ooh,
but
I would have loved that brick color.
I wasn't sure if you would want that color. They call it
That's
tomato.
nice. Okay, I love that.
But so you can see the difference. See, this is actually that's the
They're all the size.
This is
these are
these are
different,
original,
longer.
right? So they are deeper pockets.
Yeah.
So when you have things that longer, deeper roots,
Yeah.
you use the original. The leaf like this is
Original
shorter.
leaf.
So they tell you things that you can plant
Okay.
in each.
So this is the original. What I
Yes.
got is the leaf.
Correct.
Okay, so all of this stuff. Okay, I got you.
Okay.
I got you. All right. I
So that's
like
just the
that.
basic guide and shows you how to put it together.
I like it. Girl,
Good.
you gonna make me cry.
And so the way it's designed is you put water up here and it trickles down the holes in the other
Got it.
disc. But sometimes you will also need to what we call pocket water. So instead of just putting the water in there, you may want to.
But girl, hold up. I'm gonna take this to a whole nother level. Because they
My
got
sister's
those
extra,
pumps.
y'all.
They got the hydroponic pumps, right? They're about that big around, and wherever the water is, you put it in there, and you can set it on a timer, and it'll automatically.
So focus.
That ain't gonna work?
No, they have a watering system that you can purchase for these, though, if that's what you would like to do.
Oh, they do?
Yes, they do.
How much?
You go to the website.
I
You
see
go to the
your face. I see your
You go to the
face.
website and
I see your face. Edible plant guide.
Yeah, so I bought one for you and me.
Okay, wonderful.
Okay, and then this is that comes with it. So I think it looks like they got some seeds in there for you.
Aww.
Some some lacinato kale.
Aww. This is so nice.
And some stickers. They always give you stickers when
Aw.
they ship you.
This is so nice. You make sure you tag this on my Facebook.
Okay, I don't know how I'm gonna do that, but okay.
What you mean you don't know how
I
you
guess
can
if
do
I
that?
post it, we gonna figure it out.
Yeah, exactly. You should know how to do all that stuff you up there streaming on YouTube. And then how you gonna cancel the streaming for today before it even started raining? We could have.
Stop it.
We could have had a little bit.
Stop it.
We could have an intro,
Hold on.
and then
Hold
you
on,
get
hold on,
9
hold on,
people
hold on,
in.
Y'all, I thought I was recording and it did not record. I was explaining to my sister about how to YouTube live. See, it's starting to rain here now in her city. I was explaining to her that the live,
Your city is not that far from my city.
it's far enough.
It ain't that far.
It be doing different things in my city and her city. So that is potting mix. Let me look and see. Let's see what she got. So
And it's the Miracle Grow. And this is the fertilizer I got.
So yeah, you could probably use that in
And I got the 10-10-10 fertilizer.
you can use that in your
And I can use this on my herbs thing too.
yes, you can.
Okay. I just got to do the right measurements, right?
Yes.
Okay. So I can use that?
I think you can use that.
All right, wonderful.
This is the place to dig, plant, and rest. Shelley's Homestead Hideaway, where every season has something to say. Plant a seed, let your worries fade. This garden life